In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Gmail in Thunderbird. By the end, you'll have your Gmail account synced in Thunderbird using secure, reliable settings, and you'll understand exactly what each choice means. First, open Thunderbird. In the left sidebar, find your account list. Right-click the email name shown there and choose Settings. This opens the Account Settings window, which is where all account setup and changes happen. In Account Settings, look for the option to add a new account. Click New Account, then select Mail Account. This starts the account setup wizard that Thunderbird uses to connect to your mail service. When prompted, type your full name as you want it to appear on outgoing messages and enter your Gmail address. Keep it simple and accurate. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox. Next, instead of letting Thunderbird auto-detect everything, click Manual Configuration. This gives you precise control and avoids mismatches. Now choose your protocol and host names. For Gmail, IMAP is the best choice because it keeps your mail and folders in sync across devices. Use imapgmail.com for the incoming server. For outgoing mail, use smfgmail.com. If you prefer POP3 for local-only storage, you could choose it here, but IMAP is strongly recommended for most people. Set the ports and security next. For IMAP, use port 993 with SSL TLS. For SMTP, use port 465 with SSL TLS. These settings enforce encryption from the start of the connection. If your network requires it, SMTP can also work on port 587 with star TTLS, but 465 with SSL TLS is often the simplest and most compatible. For authentication method, select OAuth 2 for both incoming and outgoing. This is the modern, secure way to sign into Gmail through Thunderbird without storing your account password directly in the app. For username, enter your full Gmail address exactly as it appears. When everything looks correct, click Continue. A Google sign-in window will appear. Follow the prompts to sign in and grant Thunderbird permission to access your mail. Once you approve, Thunderbird will verify the settings and begin syncing your folders and messages. You should see your Gmail inbox and labels populate in the left pane. If something doesn't connect, double-check host names, ports, and that OAuth 2 is selected for both servers. Typos are the most common culprit. Also make sure any firewall or antivirus software allows Thunderbird to reach the mail servers. That's it, your Gmail is now configured in Thunderbird with secure recommended settings ready for everyday use.